So, good day everyone. My name is Charles Miranda, and today I'll be presenting my documentation and reflection on our event driven programming projects. So, here is my per documentation and reflection on event driven programming projects. So, um, I walk you through three systems developed by my peers: the e-commerce system, the job portal system, and the rehabilitation center system. So finally, I'll share my reflections and the lessons I gained from these projects. So in day one, um I recorded or I the e-commerce system presented by Kuan Christian Ibale. So Christian presented his e-commerce system. The goal was to simulate a basic online store where user can browse, search, and order products. So here is the some key features include browsing products with filters for category, price, and availability. So adding items to a shopping cart, secure order placement and payments, then tracking orders and updating accounts information. So so here's my screenshot. So the project applied multiple AWT components such as frames, panels, labels, text fields, buttons, list, and text area. So e-commerce system layout and events. The layout was organized carefully using different managers. A navigational bar with buttons for home, catalog, cards, and login or register. A main panel that used card layout to switch between login, dashboard, so a main panel that used card layout switch between login, dashboard, product catalog, cart, and registration. Product displays arranged with flow layout and forms aligned neatly with grid layout. For events, Christian implemented Action Listener for adding to cart, removing items, and checking out, and Item Listener for selecting products. When a customer clicked checkout, the system calculated the bill and displayed order details. So, in day 2, job portal system. IG presented her job portal system. This application is focused on connecting administrators with job posting and user management. Some of its core features were secure login. Here's my screenshot again. So some of its features were secure login for administrators, profile management and updates, registering and managing new users, searching and filtering job posting. So this project made extensive use of Java AWT components like frames, panel, cards, layouts, labels, text fields, button lists, choices, and dialogues. So a navigation bar with a clean pink theme, card layout for switching between login, dashboard, users, and jobs, a job panel with search bar, filter, drop down, and listings arranged in flow layout. For events, IG use Action Listener for login, saving profiles, and user registration. Item listeners filter jobs automatically when categories change. K listener, so K listener allowed inter-key searches while dialog displayed validation message like login successful or no result found. So in day 3, Rehabilitation Center System presented by Blizim Rivas. So this system was designed to help manage patients and staff data in a rehabilitation facility. It includes four main modules: user login for secure access, profile setting and personal and medical details, submit case for recording rehabilitation cases, additional support modules for smoother operation. So, rehab system layouts and events. So, this was a simple and form based for easy data entry. Panels aligned labels and text fields neatly. Buttons for navigation were placed clearly under forms. Drop-down choices allowed selection of case types or programs. Text area enabled detailed descriptions of patient cases. Event handling include action listener for login, saving, and submitting cases. Item listener, item listener for drop-down updates, and key listener for shortcuts like pressing enter to log in. So, Nara. So, lastly, the reflection. So, after documenting and reflecting on these projects, I gained a deeper understanding on event driven programming in Java. Here are some key takeaways. So, different layouts such as grid, bag layout, card layout, and flow layout play a major role in making interfaces clear and user friendly. Event handling is crucial, whether it's a button, click, a key press, or drop down selection. These events bring interactivity to the system. Despite using basic AWT components, this project showed that functional and real world application can be created if the design is thoughtful. So, in conclusion, this project, e-commerce job portal and rehabilitation center, demonstrated the flexibility of Java AWT in building interactive application. They strengthened my skills in designing GUIs, understanding system workflows, and handling events effectively. Most importantly, they give me confidence to apply programming concepts to real world problems. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you and God bless.